Are you looking for a great little park in Ruskin? Maybe to enjoy the beach? G Simmons Park is a Hillsborough County conservation park in Ruskin. It's a great local option for almost anything you may want to do outside. This 258-acre conservation park includes 200 acres of mangrove swamp that was specially set aside as a bird and wildlife sanctuary, which houses some awesome endangered species such as the bald eagle and the roseate spoonbill. This park also includes 700 feet of beach for you to explore. Kids can enjoy one of the 2 playgrounds, you can grill at one of the barbecue grills, or you can always bird or people watch. G Simmons Park is also great for camping, as you can reserve primitive or RV campsites, or even rent kayaks, go fishing, or take the boat out for a nice little jaunt. Make sure you check out the county website before you go, just to see if there's any advisories or any notices just to be aware of before you plan your trip. The park is open 8 o'clock a.m. to 7 o'clock p.m. in the spring and summer, and 8 o'clock a.m. to 6 o'clock p.m. in the fall and winter. There is a $2 per vehicle entrance fee for the park, since it is a county conservation park. There is also a $5 boat fee and additional fees for camping or the kayak rentals. For more great local attractions, subscribe to my channel. And if you are looking to move to the Tampa area or relocate here in the Tampa area, check out my relocation guide linked below.